watching an Innovative Kids channel. Had you ever saw this beautiful flowers? These are the blue pea butterfly flowers. You can see these flowers in this season. This flower is edible. By removing the sepal part, that is the green part of the flower, the remaining blue petals are edible to eat when it's cooked. The tea made with it not only looks beautiful, but it's full of antioxidants too. Butterfly pea flowers are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium and sodium. See, this part is edible to cook now. This tea is full of antioxidants. So let's see how to make it. For that, first take a vessel and add 1 cup of water. To this, I'm going to add washed and clean butterfly pea flour. Let all the goodness and the essence of the flour get soaked in the water well. Can you see the beautiful blue color? Actually, it's not looking like a blue. It's looking like a copper sulfate green, isn't it? All the beautiful color of the flowers is in the water now. Now let's filter this blue tea. You can consume this tea in the morning and in the evening. This tea is good for the woman. Since it has lots of antioxidants, it helps you in anti-aging. It has lots of anti-glycation, so it helps your skin to look beautiful. Shall we see a magic now? See now how the color it is. So to this tea, I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops of lemon. While you add the lemon, it will change into a royal blue color. Wow, I love this blue color. You can add few drops of honey to taste it. This blue tea has a subtle earthy taste. You can make this tea with both fresh and dry flowers. What an amazing color it is, isn't it? It has lot of anti-inflammatory properties. So now I'm going to taste this amazing tea now. It's so yummy and delicious and healthy too. So now I'm going to prepare a pudding with this butterfly pea flour. So take the butterfly tea and add some china grass, or you can add some gelatin powder too. Let this mixture boil until the china grass dissolves. For flavor, you can add any essence. Since the butterfly pea flour don't have any taste, now I'm going to add some sugar. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's filter the mixture. Now pour it in a bowl. Let's put this bowl in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You can add any fruits in it. After 30 minutes, let's see how it's turned. Wow, it's completely set now. Scrape in the sides of the bowl with a knife or a spatula. Let's put upside down and see. Wow, the beautiful pudding is ready now. My favorite color is dark blue. If I have a food with that blue color, how it'll be? I just love it. I can't wait to taste it. A beautiful food with beautiful properties. I'm just garnishing this pudding with the beautiful butterfly pea flower. Now let's cut it and enjoy. Now my butterfly pea flower pudding is ready. I'm going to taste it. It's so yummy and delicious and healthy too. Do try this recipe in your home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now my healthy and yummy delicious butter pea flour pudding is ready. Now my healthy and delicious butterfly pea pudding is ready. Now my healthy and yummy delicious butterfly pea pudding is ready. Now my Now my yummy and delicious butterfly pea. Now my butterfly pea flour pudding. Amma sirikai. Amma neenga da sirikiringa.